Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use data validation on Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have prepared my data, and basically guys, we can use data validation to make sure that the data we input to the cell is the valid data, so it can prevent us from inputting the incorrect data. Okay, let's practice it to make you more understand about the data validation. For example guys, I'm going to add the date only to this date column. So I'm going to apply the data validation. I'm going to select the column like this, and then we're going to, select the column and go to the data tools here. You can go to the data tab or data menu and select the data tools. Choose data validation, and then for the validation criteria, I'm going to choose date. So I'm going to allow the date only for this date column. And then for the start date, I'm just going to choose the start date, and for the end date, so I can only input the date between the start date and the end date. And I'm going to click on OK, and let's try to input something here. I'm going to input this date, and yeah, it's valid. And I'm going to try to input invalid data. For example, I'm going to add 12 of September like this, and it will say invalid. Okay, as you can see that this value doesn't match the data validation, so we cannot input this data. And I'm going to give you another example. For example, I'm going to allow number only for this column. So we can go to the data tools, select data validation, and I'm going to choose, for example, whole number. Okay, and for the minimum, I'm going to add 10, and for the maximum, I'm going to add 100. And let's try to input 10. Okay, it's valid. And I'm going to try to input more than 100. And yeah, as you can see that this value doesn't match the data validation. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!